I see on this box right here, George, this capacitor box, it's got a number right here. What does that number mean?
So any part that technician replaces out that field is brought back to the office and it's logged in. So this number is put on this part. We hold on to it for 30 days. I can go out there and pull it out and I can test it myself and verify the part was bad.
It's checks and balances, right?
That's right.
So Nate, certified tech, goes out, has a bad capacitor, replaces it, and then 2 weeks later, the unit of that homeowner breaks again. This ain't like the doctor visit where, you know, they go operate on you and your kidney falls out and they charge you another $2 million to put another kidney in it cost you $2 million to start with. I never understood that. We don't do that, do we?
No. We'll come back out and no charge in 30 days. Now the parts we put on, we put a year warranty on the parts. So that part's gonna be warranted for a year.
So we've got documentation of what part, the year warranty, and the service call was good for 30 days. So in other words, if our guy misdiagnosed one, which happens, they're all humans, let's say he misdiagnosed the unit, this makes sure that our techs know that we're trusting but verifying. That was Ronald Reagan's, wow, he was the greatest president ever, Ronald Reagan. Trust but verify. You know who he told that to? The Soviets. Ronald Reagan told the Soviets, we're gonna do this deton on these bombs, but we're gonna trust but verify. That's what we do at Casey Services.